I had recently shared a video regarding the reasons and causes of bleeding in pregnancy. Today I'll be sharing some precautions or some don'ts, some no's that you have to follow during when you have bleeding in your pregnancy. Firstly, no tampons, no sexual activity, no lifting heavy, no walking or heavy exercises, and no medicines. So let me clear out these things. Firstly, no tampons. That is, instead of using tampons when you have bleeding in your pregnancy, instead of using tampons you can use normal sanitary napkins, which will be very helpful. If you use tampons, it will make your condition again worse and the bleeding will be more. Okay. And the second is no lifting heavy. Lifting heavy weight will put pressure on your uterus and it may cause again bleeding or premature or miscarriage, anything. So lifting anything heavy should be avoided. Then third is walking too much, that is standing on your feet. It is a complete no. Standing too much on your feet or walking too much should be avoided. So that also will be complete no. During sexual intercourse during bleeding, if you have bleeding during your pregnancy, should be completely avoided. Having any sexual intercourse will worsen your condition and it will make difficult for you. So sexual activity also is a big no when you have bleeding in your pregnancy. And fifth, the last one will be no medicines without doctor's prescription. You should avoid taking any medicines in your, if you have bleeding in your pregnancy, you should take the medicines only prescribed by the doctors. Even if you have a mild even if you have a mild pain or headache or anything like it to be, if you have bleeding, you should always consult your doctor before taking any medicines during pregnancy. Thank you.